Okay, so let us check up. I really hope that all of you did the homework. So let us, Shazad, the first one is...
exciting sci-fi fantasy film.
Yeah, thank you so much. Next one, Hasya.
First moment.
Thank you so much. Shahuz.
Action-packed battle skins.
Scenes. Thank you so much. Iskandar, next one. Number 4.
Impressive cast.
Thank you so much. Ziad, what about 5?
Super performance.
Thank you so much. Number 6, Sage.
Spectacular space effects.
Special effects. Okay. So right now, as you remember, we were talking about space, and right now you are going to compete. So team number 1, I would like you to choose one person that will go, and you should try to match the words, the phrases with the translations. Okay. So Shazada, would you like to come? Yeah. You are going to try to match. Yeah. So you are going to push the button. The best result will be written here on the whiteboard. Yes. So you can push here on the start. So you should try to match. Next one. Okay. No, it's not. Read it gently. No, come on. Next one. Troposphere made of rocks, planets. Oh. Next one. Orbit. What does it mean, orbit? The pulse an object takes in space. Next one. Axis. What does it mean? Instrument. Okay. Something connected with moon, yeah? Okay, next one. Axis is... Okay, so your result is 71 and 8. And I would like to tell you that it's not the best, but even though. So, team number 1, your result is 71.8, yeah? Так, next one. Any volunteers to come? Next one. Shahuz, yes, go. Yes, you are going to play one more time and let us see about your results. Yes, push the button and go. So, yeah, I really hope that we do have a really good internet connection. So, yeah. Read it attentively. Next one. Next one. Good. Next. Cool. Okay. Really good result. 28.4. 28.4. So you see that you are going to refresh your knowledge. It was really complicated for Shazada, yes, because it was really hard for you to find out. Even so, let us continue talking. So I would like all of you to open your book, page number 106, and today we are going to talk about culture corner. NASA, reaching for the stars. So could you please tell me, what do you know about NASA? Have you ever heard about it? I'm sure that you've already watched quite a lot of movies where there is quite a lot of different NASA's exploration. Yes, you know that it's a kind of space, what?
American Space
Agency. Yes, right, you are. So today we are going to read and we are going to talk about it. Later on you are going to try to answer to exercise number 2. So right now I would like you to turn your attention to this. So we are going to work with our vocabulary. So please everybody take your notebooks. You are going to write down into your vocabulary notebooks new words. First let us listen and then you will copy out.
Asteroid, asteroid. Equator, equator. Hardware, hardware. Mission, mission. Orbit, orbit. Rotation, rotation.
So you'll have about 2 minutes to copy please write down all these vocabulary words into your vocabulary notebook. So I set up the time. Come on, go. Write down. While writing, you know that you should, you should what? You should try to read, yeah? So here you are. Please write down. Yes, I would like you to try to read. So the first one is asteroid. What does it mean? You know very well. Yes, in astronomy we talked about it. Equator means equator is the middle of the earth, yeah?
Yes.
So next one is hardware. У нас идет аппарат инструмента. Next one is mission. Миссия. Orbit. Это орбита. And rotation. Это у нас идет вращение. Okay, you do have about. Have you already finished writing? No, not yet.
Yes.
So right after this, we are going to watch a video. I would like you to watch the video really attentively because we are going to do exercise number 2, where you are going to try to write down true or false. Okay? So 10 more seconds, and I'm going to play the video. So that
Hardware. Hardware. Mission. Mission. Orbit. Orbit. Rotation. Rotation.
Reaching for the stars. NASA, the United States National Aeronautics and Space Administration Agency, was created in the 1950s. Its mission was to lead the way in the exploration of space, both near Earth and beyond it, and in particular to transport people to the moon and back by the end of the 1960s. This ambition of President John F. Kennedy's was, of course, achieved in 1969. In fact, 12 astronauts walked on the moon during a number of missions between then and 1972. NASA is divided into 4 departments. The Aeronautics Research Division is concerned with improving transport into and through space. The Space Technology Department develops hardware, software, and machinery to improve space exploration. The Human Exploration and Operations Department oversees activity that involves people, including missions to the International Space Station, which is in orbit around Earth constantly. Finally, the Science Division helps to further understanding of the universe, including the Earth, which it studies by satellite. This division also includes the Office of Planetary Protection, and one of this office's responsibilities is defending the Earth from hostile aliens. NASA launches spacecraft from Cape Canaveral in Florida, which was chosen for its southerly position. Because the state of Florida is closer to the equator than most other US states, NASA rockets get maximum help from the rotation of the planet when they take off for space. However, NASA astronauts who are sent to the ISS now begin their journeys in Kazakhstan, as the US brought its space shuttle program to an end in 2011. ISS missions now begin and end at the Baikonur Cosmodrome near Tayuratan in southern Kazakhstan. This is the same location from which Yuri Gagarin, the first man to go to space, began his journey back in 1961.
So right now we've heard about reaching for the stars. I'm sure that you know all about it. You will have about 2 minutes to copy out exercise number 2, where you're going to write down true if the information is given, false if information is not given or given incorrectly, and just the same if nothing is mentioned about this.